So this watch was supposed to be waterproof, but it dove into the pool, and guess what? It's not. So I managed to save it enough for it to still turn on and work as it should, but the speaker is useless now, so we cannot hear any calls, any sounds, anything. So let's repair that. So let's put it up to charge so you can hear what it does sound like. So let's now turn it on. And this is the sound that you can hear from this little speaker. And this little speaker is also for voice calls, etc. So as you can see, nothing is understandable from here. So let's open it up and see what we can do in regards to that. So let's start by removing the SIM tray, which is not really a tray, it's just a small cover. And to remove the SIM card, we need to press it in until it comes out. And then we need a pair of pliers just to pull it out. And we now remove the 4 Phillips screws on the back of this little phone watch. We remove the cover to reveal the insides. This is the battery. Let's pull it out carefully, not to pierce it. It's loose anyway, so it's okay. And now we need to remove the little speaker, which is the part that is damaged. We need to take off this little arm and remove the small board, being careful not to pull any of these flex cables apart. And it is probably a simple fix, just remove this speaker and put in a new one. So we have here a pair of new speakers. When I previously opened it, when it dove into the pool, I took a measure of this little speaker and tried to buy similar ones. And these are the ones that I found on AliExpress. If you're interested, I'll leave a link for them. They are basically the same thickness and size, although one is square, the other one is rounded, but it should be okay to use. So let's start by removing this old speaker. We apply a little bit of flux on this area. Being careful with our fingers, we use our hot iron to melt the solder and remove the cables from the board. With the cables removed, let's put a little bit of leaded solder so that it's easier to put our new speaker in. So here's the new speaker, so let's cut the cables approximately the same size. And we now remove the excessive plastic to reveal the copper under it, so we can tin them and solder it on our board. So let's tin our iron and then use it on this little speaker cords. We flux the little cables as well, so it's easier for the solder to flow into them. And now we touch them with our iron. As you can see, it's quite hot and it's melting the cables, and now they are a bit too long, so we need to cut them in order for them not to short on each other and kill the speaker. So let's do that right now. With the wires shortened, let's put the plus on the red and the minus on the black. We just give it a little bit of heat so that the solder flows and accepts the wire. This is quite small, so it's a little tricky to do. There we go. And we do the same on the black wire. And it's on, so now we will clean the area. And let's assemble everything back into its place. I will leave the little paper that is on the speaker because I want it to slide in. If I remove it, it will start glowing and may damage the speaker itself, so it will not be harmful. So just leave it there, it should be fine. And with the little phone watch fully assembled, let's now screw all the screws back in place. And now the moment of truth. Let's see if we have sound. So I need to put it on charge so I can turn it on, and let's see what happens. I think it's better than the original one, to be honest. So yeah, it is working as it should. So one more try. It is fine. So hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short one just to show you how to change a speaker on a phone watch like this, and screen is working, everything is okay. If you enjoyed, leave it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.